Where are you now? When the lights go down, echoes in the dark, still I hear your heart. Broken shadows on the wall, your voice still answers when I call. Every silence screams your name, but nothing ever feels the same. I trace the memories in the